Welcome back to my or Swagatam to my computer learning series, that is learning computer with seeing the beautiful greenery sites of Indian village or Bharatiya village. And today I would like to talk about the multimedia technology. And here the video you are watching, it is also a use of multimedia, or it is a good example of multimedia technology. So let's see and learn about the and know about the multimedia. So I think you are enjoying my video, seeing the natural greenery, beautiful sights of Indian village. And now first let's define the multimedia. A medium is something that a presenter can use for presentation of information, and there are two basic ways to present some information. Unimedium presentation: in this case the presenter uses a single medium to present information. For example, a music system is a unimedium device because it presents information by using sound medium only. Similarly, a book having only text is also a unimedium device because it presents information by using text medium only. So, and the second one is multimedia presentation. In this situation, the presenter uses more than one medium to present information. So, from this definition, a TV system is a multimedia device because it presents information by using sound and video media. And a book having both text and diagram is also a multimedia device because it presents information by using text, graphics and image. Now obviously multimedia presentation of an information enhances comprehension capability of its users greatly because it involves use of multiple senses by the users. Modern computer systems commonly use the following media for storage, access and transition of information. Uh, that is text, alphanumeric characters, audio, also called sound, graphics, line drawing and image is graphics, and videographed of real life events, as I am videographing this beautiful sights of Indian village, and animation, that is moving image. So hence, in a computer world, multimedia refers to use of more than one of these media such as graphic and text, or animation and sound, or video, sound and text for information presentation to computer users. Now we know about the multimedia computer system. So I like to discuss the multimedia computer system. So here is the a multimedia computer system is a computer having capability to integrate two or more types of media like text, graphics, audio, image and video for generation, representation, storage, manipulation, and access of multimedia information. Normally, data size of multimedia information is much larger than textual information because graphic, animation, audio or video data representation in digital form requires much larger number of bits than plain text data representation in digital form requires. Due to this, multimedia computer system should have first a faster central processing unit for quicker processing of large amount of data. Second, larger storage devices for storing large data files. Third, larger main memory for running programs with large data size. Fifth, audio input-output devices for playing any audio associated with a multimedia application program. And next, good graphic terminals for displaying graphics, animation, and video. So these characteristics should be in the multimedia computer system. Not all multimedia computer systems need to have all features listed above. For example, a computer system that does not have capability to handle audio and video media is also a multimedia computer system. Because it can handle multimedia as a text and graphics. However, a full-fledged multimedia computer system must be capable of handling all types of media mentioned above and hence must have all the mentioned features. Now some components of multimedia. The first component of multimedia I would like to discuss is text. Text information contains alphanumeric and special characters. Most modern computers have text processing capability to deal with text information efficiently. And the hardware requirement for text are keyboard to input text data, electronic writing pads for direct input of hand written text, OCRs, optical character recognizer for direct input of printed text, and monitors, terminal screens to display text information, and printers to output text in a hard copy form. So these are the main components of a multimedia. And now we see that in we are discussing about the text, that is feature of text. Now software requirements for text. Software requirement of text. That is text style. Presentation of textual information becomes more effective by using text of various size, fonts and styles like bold, italic, shadow, etc. Similarly, a book uses a combination of various text styles to put more emphasis on certain words or phrases than remaining text. Text editing. Text editors and word processing package enable generation, editing, and planning the layout of a text document. And the next point is, next software requirement is text searching. This feature greatly enhances ease of text information. It enables a user to search the location of a word or a phrase quickly in a text document, which may be of several pages. Next text processing capabilities is hypertext. This feature provides great flexibility of structuring and accessing computer-based text document. It generalizes the concept of footnote and cross-reference of traditional way of organizing text document, and enables user to obtain desired information by clicking on a hot word, a word or a phrase linked to another document within a document. Hence, to obtain more information about a hot word, the user selects the hot word, usually with a mouse click on it, and the system opens a window automatically with additional text explaining that word or phrase. This type of information structuring allows non-sequential navigation within the information space according to individual needs. A system distinguishes hot words from other text in a document by displaying them in different color or font, or by changing the shape of mouse pointer, such as hand instead of an arrow when a user moves the mouse over a hot word. This simple navigation makes it easier for a user to identify hot words in a document. The next text processing capabilities of a text software is text importing and exporting. This feature enables a user to import already existing text partly or fully into a new document at a desired location instead of retyping the entire text again. If an imported file is large, it will result in enormous saving of times and effort required to prepare the new document. Similarly, text exporting feature is very useful in allowing other packages to use an existing document. Now the next topic in this lecture is graphic. Computer graphics deals with tools and technologies for generating, manipulating, representing, and displaying pictures with a computer. Graphic is an important component of multimedia application because a picture is a powerful way to illustrate information. For example, in a multimedia application, for educating children, displaying photograph of a cow along with its textual description makes illustration much more effective. Without the photograph, it will be very difficult to explain how a cow and horse looks like. Similarly, displaying photo of an employee along with his name, sex, address, age, etc. from a company's database of a employees make the employees information more effective. So pictures used in computer graphics are broadly of two types. The first one is line drawings and the second is image. So let's first discuss the line drawings. Line drawings are illustration in the form of 2D and 3D pictures created from mathematical representation of simple objects like lines, circles, a arc, etc. A user creates complex object by using simple object types. For example, a designer can draw a picture of a chair by using lines and arcs. A system can also transform and present numerical results obtained from computation into graphic forms like bar graphs or pie charts by using simple objects. Area of computer graphics that deal with this type of picture is known as generative graphics. And generative graphics is used extensively for creating illustrative diagram. Two important applications of generative graphics are CAD and CAM. CAD is for computer aided design and CAM is for computer aided manufacturing. Designers often use computer aided designing package to design models of aircraft, ship, building, etc. They also use computer aided design package to design layout of printed circuit boards, chemical plant, pipeline, etc. And based on these drawings, computer aided manufacturing package automatically generate and use manufacturing information such as sub-assembly part list, sub-assembly list, etc. The greatest advantage of using computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing package for such application is that a designer can check design ideas quickly and conceptualize the ideas graphically and interactive manner. Moreover, the designer can carry out design changes quickly, creating accurate assembly drawings of associated parts and sub-assembly list immediately. And the next graphic types is image. And image and pictures. Image are pictures and photographs which are composed of collection of pixels. Pixel is a short form of picture element, a unit of measurement across a computer screen. A computer stores pixel of an image as a two-dimensional matrix. This two-dimensional or spatial representation is called image resolution. Since a storage representation of an image is its direct translation, pixel by pixel, no concept of a line, arc or circle exists. Each pixel is composed of three components, red, green and blue. On a display screen, each component of a pixel corresponds to a phosphor. A phosphor glows when excited by an electron gun. Various combination of different red, green, blue intensities produces different colors. And the area of computer graphics that deal with this type of picture is known as cognitive graphics. Computer applications which deal with recognition and classification of pictures make extensive use of cognitive graphics along with image processing techniques like image compression, image decompression, cleaning of noisy or blurred image, and image editing, etc. For example, criminal investigation application based on fingerprint identification uses an image database containing image of people's fingerprints. Another similar application is classification of image of ECG pattern, X-ray of different parts of body to perform medical diagnosis of patents by using computers. Now let's discuss hardware requirements for a graphics. Modern computer uses the following hardware devices to graphic processing capabilities: a flatbed or a rectangular coordinate digitizer to enable generative graphics application to input existing line drawings such as map into a computer. Second, a locating device such as mouse, joystick or a stylus with a video display terminal and drawing software to draw pictures directly on computer screen from scratch for generative graphic applications. Scanners, optical scanners or image scan digitizers to enable cognitive graphic applications to capture photographs and drawings as digital image. Computer screen with graphics display capability to display graphics. Digital camera or frame capture hardware such as video capture board interface to some standard video source like video camera or video cassette recorder to capture digital image directly. Plotters to output graphics in hard copy form and laser printers to output graphics in hard copy form. So these are the hardware requirements for a graphic. Now software requirements for a graphic. The graphic processing capability is desirable in multimedia computer system for better presentation and use of graphic information are like drawing and painting software. This software enables user to create graphics from scratch by using a mouse and various simple objects such as line, circle and polygon with various supporting colors. It also enables a user to modify the and enhance graphic image which the user produces using a scanner or a screen capture software. This feature makes this software useful for creating graphics in multimedia applications. Next is a screen capture software. This software enables users to take a snapshot of computer screen display and capture it as a graphic image. It allows users to save graphic image in a variety of graphic formats and to convert a graphic image from one storage format to another when a multimedia application accepts image data in particular format only. And the next software requirements for graphic is ClayPart. It is a library of graphic image of common objects such as personal computer, printer, telephone, flower, building, aeroplane, etc., which users need frequently to incorporate in their multimedia application. A user can import directly an image from the library and use it in a multimedia application. This saves a lot of time and effort that the user might require otherwise to create or search a similar image object. This is also helpful if a user does not have a scanner or some other means of inputting graphics into computers. A clip art library often provides facilities to add a new image object or delete an existing image object from the library. The next software requirements for graphic is graphic importing. A graphic importing software enables a user to import graph image in some standard formats and to use it in a multimedia application. Common standard graphic formats are .bmp, .gif and .pcx. This feature greatly simplifies the task of creating a multimedia application incorporating graphics. And the next software requirements for graphics is software support for high resolution. Software support for high. If a multimedia application needs to display very high quality image, it is important to have not only the necessary hardware but also software supports for high resolution graphics. Some software cannot display a resolution greater than 640 into 480 pixels. Others cannot display more than 16 colors at a time. So these are the software requirements for a graphics. So with this I would like to end this lecture here, and I am using Infinix Smart mobile camera for creating this video lecture, and I think you are enjoying my video, that is learning computer with seeing the beautiful sights of Indian village.